first I will show you how to remove the retaining ring, the locking nut, and also the switch plate. Then we will go to the deeper assembly of the coupling. So first of all, using the Allen key, we remove the grub screws. And this is the retaining ring. Secondly, we will remove the flag. This is the detector for the switch that's on the extruder. And then again, there's grub screws located in these recesses. And then there's the second one on the back. Now, using a C-spanner, we're undoing the locking nut. This puts the pressure on, retains the springs onto the torque coupling. So the springs from the retaining, these are the springs that put the resistance onto the coupling that give the tension and the torque setting. Now we're going to remove the switch plate. This is the plate that detects the electronical switch that stops the motor from rotating when the coupling is tripped. And this has a gasket seal inside that stops the dust from getting within the coupling. So now this is the dust guard. Again, this has a seal in the inside. It's a fabric seal that stops the dust from going from the other side. And then now we're releasing the clutch plate. And there's ball bearings, so you have to be careful. So this is the clutch plate. And then we have the bearings, so you have to be careful not to lose these bearings. Now these are the pushers. These have springs on the bottom, so you can see these are replaceable as well. These are the springs that push the coupling out of position. So now you've got the remainder, the base of the torque limiter coupling. There's there's 3 cap screws that retain this to the body. Okay, so to remove the housing bearing ring, we use a punch to remove split pins within the housing. You knock them down like this, and there is 6 of these within the radius. Once the split pins are removed, remove the housing like this. This will reveal the inner race. To remove the inner race, this is the inner race where the bearings rotate within this area. And then you reveal a roller bearing. These are the race, this is the bearing. These become an assembly. This is a wear part that you should recommend to replace every time you service. The remaining is the inner hub, which reveals a PTFE seal. There's an outer PTFE seal and an inner. These again are replacement parts. That's it, disassembled.